Hello everyone. Difference between common and proper noun is simply difference between a name and a more generic version of that thing. Or you can say this side is more general and this is more specific. I'll give you examples. Generally speaking, I am from a city. The specific city I am from is Karachi. I could talk about a cat, but if I was talking about a specific cat, I would say Persian. If you're speaking of, let's say, country, any country, that's a common noun. If you're talking about a specific country and its name is Pakistan, so that's a proper noun. If you talk about a river, that would be a common noun because there are many rivers. If you're talking about a specific river, let's say Nile, so that's a proper noun. One nice example. If I write a girl, that's a common noun. If I give a name of a girl, let's say Annie, that's a proper noun. Now, here are the properties of proper noun. Proper nouns are always capitalized. Common nouns are capitalized if you find them at the beginning of sentences. So, you might say cats are my favorite, but you would also say Persian is my favorite cat. That is a lowercase non capitalized, but here C is in uppercase. So, folks, that's the difference between common and proper noun.